Good evening, viewers. So today we're going to be looking at a C program using the for loop, and also like you enter the numbers between 1 to 10 and print their sum using the for loop. So we can begin. Hashtag include the preprocessor. The preprocessor, and this is a preprocessor. Preprocessor. Then each program in C programming begins with an int main. And for any program in C, it's supposed to be within the brackets, the curly brackets. So everything that is embedded into the brackets, that's what the preprocessor will be able to run. So we can begin by saying that int I, which is store the loop number, and also int n. Then I can say for I equal to 1, so the first number begins from 1, I terminate it. Then I can say I less or equal to 96, I terminate. Then I plus 2. Then I say, what should it do? I open my for loop with the brackets. I say print those numbers. Print, open curly brackets, the digits number, you print them on the next line. Next line. What are you printing? The value of I. Then you terminate. Each print is supposed to be terminated at the end. Then here we can also now return 0. And this program is supposed to return for you the sum. Suppose for you to return numbers between 1 and 96 by adding a 2 after each number. So we can now save our program. Save as. And when you're saving your C program, you're supposed to save them as a C file, not a C++ file. Then you save. Okay. Then after you can run. So when you run your program, it's supposed to bring for us the sum. It's supposed to bring for us the numbers from 1 to 96, adding a 2 on each number. So you can see that the outcome is numbers from 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So basically, this can also be termed as a C program. A C program to enter odd numbers and return their sum. So there'll be odd numbers between 1 and 100. So we shall call that our n will be initialized to 100. We can also say BSM n is equal to 100. Then we close our thing here. So this program is supposed for us to print first the odd numbers between 1 to 100. You can see that all of them are odd numbers. Then if you want to print the sum, you just come and open for another for loop for the same I less than equal to 1, terminate I less or equal to 100, then terminate I plus equals to 2. What do you want to do? You also open another curly bracket. I want to compute the sum with the sum plus equals I to be looking at the sum, so that I have to first also initialize the sum to begin from 0. So I int sum starting from 0. So this helps the sum to start from, when you don't have any number to be start from 0, then add for us the preceding number. Then after doing this summation, what should it do? It should printf this sum is a percent digit, and I print the sum on the next line, and I'll return for us the sum. So basically, this program is supposed to print for us the the odd numbers between 1 to 100 and return their sum. So you can see the program and see what I've done. So the sum of the odd numbers between 1 and 100 is 2,500. Thank you very much. We meet in the next video.